Sound of U. Look at the composition below and read the words aloud. Sun, hut, tub, jug, cub, bug, cup, pup. Bun or bun, ut, nut or nut. Ug, jug or jug, ut, nut or nut. Up, cup or cup. Hub, hub, cub, cub, tub, tub, rub, rub, sub, sub, jug, jug, rug, rug, mug, mug, hug, hug, bug, bug, but, butt, cut, cut, gut, gut, nut, nut, hut, hut, up, up, cup, cup, gup, gup, pup, pup, dup, dup, fun, fun, run, run, sun, sun, bun, bun, gun, gun. Read aloud. Ub, a cob in a tub. Ug, a bug on a jug. Up, a pup in the mud. Ut, a nut and a bun. Worksheet. Make any 4 U sounding words from the following letters. You can use a letter for more than one time. First, NUT, nut. Second, CUT, cut. Third, BUT, but. Fourth, SUN, sun. Fill in the missing letter with the help of the picture. यू लिखेंगे तो नट हो जाएगा, यहाँ यू लिखेंगे तो बस हो जाएगा, इसमें यू लिखेंगे तो मग हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर यू लिखेंगे तो कप हो जाएगा, यहाँ यू लिखेंगे तो गन हो जाएगा, यहाँ यू लिखेंगे तो डक हो जाएगा।